morning, sir.
Good morning.
We know you briefly.
Yes, my name is Dr. Charles Mugisha. I'm a consultant nutritionist from Uganda, and I've come to Nigeria to start a new company called 4Life Research International.
Okay. We understand you've been in Nigeria for the past 4 weeks. How was your stay in Nigeria? How was the hospitality, the people of Nigeria? How did they receive you, and how did you enjoy yourself in Nigeria? In a brief.
Thank you very much. Quite amazing. But before I answer about the 4 weeks, let me take you a little back. Because I'm a Nigerian, this is my second home.
Okay.
I came in Nigeria first in 1987 to the University of Ibadan to do my master's in human nutrition. I did well, and I was given a postgraduate program which I completed in 1993. I know Nigeria very well. They have fathered me in academia. They looked after me, so Nigeria is a wonderful country. But more specifically, for the last 4 weeks, the hospitality the questionnaire gave me was quite amazing. You remember the peculiar circumstances under which we landed here, but we lived in your home for that 1 month more than I would have loved, and lived in my own house back in Uganda. And I want to extend this gratitude to you, sir, for all the hospitality and your colleagues you have extended to us.
Established a new company called 4Life Research. What is the extent of work that has been done so far, and what is the progress report?
Amazing, amazing. This is one of the most international companies in the world. It is ranked the 5th largest and most successful company elsewhere we have been. It is in the US, it's in Europe, it's in Asia. It is venturing in Africa for the first time. It is about 6 months old in Uganda, and that's the first country it has been to. It has gone to Rwanda, Burundi, it is in Tanzania, and soon will be in Kenya. But these are the East and Central African states. Nigeria seems to have been the only country in West Africa that is going to receive this opportunity. It's a wonderful company. It's a company that provides a biotechnology molecule that boasts the ability to fight disease. And you very well know, sir, that for the body to resist all sorts of infections and infestations, including cancer, and now recently HIV and AIDS, you need to boost that internal protective machinery called the immune system. Most supplements on the market have tried, but with little success. The reason why I think this new molecule, the biotechnology molecule, is going to work is because it enhances profoundly that immune system apparatus that attacks the virus at the start. And this immune component is called the natural killer cell. It's a cell we want to potentiate. I have had the opportunity to discuss this matter at professorial level. You know, we went and met Professor Akam at Lagos University. He was extremely prolific about this new finding, and I hope by bringing this company to Nigeria, we will not only save humanity, but we will also include the academic potential about this new molecule.
Dr. Mugisha, we really appreciate your coming to Nigeria, and I know your efforts you are putting is not going to be in vain. We all are going to benefit from this opportunity you are bringing to Nigeria. Me and you and all those that partook in this research, we all benefit from it. From your speculation, when do you think the company is going to kick off in Nigeria?
Thank you very much. If we go according to the roadmap, we have laid the groundwork, we have raised the awareness, and I thank God you've been part of us. You see that our products have moved, NAFDAC is aware, government policymakers are aware, and hopefully by February or March, we should be coming here in full swing to register the company, open an office, so that now we can launch massive programs, not only in the people, but also on the radio waves. Because I do believe, based on my experience, that if we talk to the people through the media, it is a powerful tool. It has worked for us in Uganda. I have firm evidence it will equally work for Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mugisha.
It's my pleasure,
We
sir.
look forward to seeing you again. And your name is Ibe Sunday.
Ibe Sunday Charistus.
You are the coordinator and the point man that brought Dr. Mugisha and Salim Rashid to Nigeria to start this new company called 4Life Research. How did this whole things get started? In a brief sentence.
Okay, I was met by a friend called Kennedy Ahim, Ghanaian. in Uganda, so he told me about For Life and how good it was to join. So I joined. So on the process, when I noticed that the company has not been in Nigeria, so we started planning. So on the plan, then Kennedy introduced me to my good friend called Dr. Charles Mugisha, PhD. So we planned together and we had a meeting with Dave. After that, then we managed to come to a conclusion that we have to bring the company to Nigeria. So but Dave told us that we have to go fast. They'll be coming by March and we'll go and do the work. After which we will give them the report for them to come to Nigeria and establish.
We really appreciate, we in Nigeria, we really appreciate the effort you have put in.
Thank you.
To bring it For Life research to Nigeria.
Thank you.
And I believe this company has come to stay. It's really going to make great in Nigeria. Everybody, far and near, is going to benefit from it. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for bringing me to Nigeria once again.